So this is group action in piles, efficiency of pile. When several closed space piles are grouped together, the soil pressure develop in soil. As a resistance, it will overlap. The bearing capacity of a pile group may or may not be equal to the sum of the bearing capacity of the individual piles. So this is due to the action of, you can say, superimposed group action as well as the soil pressure in closed spaced piles here. The total bearing of value of the group of friction piles may be less than the product of the friction bearing value of individual piles here. Okay. Uh, for end bearing piles, there will not be any reduction in bearing capacity due to the any number of grouping here. So this is the formula you can see for the frictional piles, where group capacity is equal to number of piles multiplied by individual capacity of pile multiplied by its efficiency. Now this efficiency is depending upon the characteristics of the pile, that is the length, diameter and material, as well as the spacing of the pile and number of piles in a row and number of rows. This can be determined using three methods. First is Converse-Labere formula, second is Seller-Kenny formula, and third one Feld's rule. So this is first Converse-Labere formula. So in this formula you can see here, so where m is the number of rows, n is the number of piles in a row, theta is here, is a tan inverse of d by s, where d is the diameter of pile and s is the spacing of pile. The same notations are used, but formula is different for Seller-Kenny formula, where s is the average spacing. In Feld's rule, it is mentioned that the value of each pile is reduced by the 1/16 on account of the effect of the nearest pile in each diagonal or straight row. So here you can see, if there are two piles, its capacity is reduced by 1/16 of each pile. So this will be 15 by 16, approximately equal to 93.8%. If there are three piles, then capacity of each pile will be reduced by 1/16 on account of this pile as well as this pile, or capacity of this will be reduced due to this and this. Like this you will find, so capacity is reduced to 14 by 16, approximately 87.5%. In case of 4, so there will be diagonally 1, vertically 1 and horizontally 1. So total 3 by 16 is reduced. So it is 13 by 16. And in case of this 5, you will find for corner piles, all corner piles having 3 nearby piles, so its capacity is reduced by 13 by 16, whereas middle pile you will find there are 4 piles nearby, so it will be reduced by 12 by 16.